The new Tiguan. It projects a powerful, authentic off-road look based on the modular transverse matrix. The whole design appears to be made in one piece. All lines and surfaces are logically connected and precisely matched to each other. Compared to its predecessor, it's been designed longer, wider and flatter. Plus, it has a longer wheelbase. The front end looks substantially wider. Indeed, it has gained in width. But this is also due to its consequent horizontal alignment, incorporating a unit that consists of the radiator grille and the headlights. The LED daytime running lights give the Tiguan an even more distinctive look. Depending on the model variant, a chrome strip above the headlights runs horizontally across the vehicle's front. The bonnet is located much higher and runs in a V-shape towards the windscreen. Sharp lines emphasize its sculptural design. These lines formally connect the bonnet to the radiator grille and the headlights, giving the front end its precise and harmonious look. The charismatic front bumper forms an A, in this way mirroring the bonnet's V-look. All the lines are pointing outward, again emphasizing the Tiguan's width and power. Even viewed from the sides, the Tiguan presents itself in a very sporty but also robust-looking silhouette. The higher waistline underlines the vehicle's SUV character. For the first time, there's a double character line. The upper line borders a horizontal surface which ends in the second line below. This new design element gives the side profile a clear and emotional structure. The lateral line of windows comes in a flatter and therefore more elegant design. The C-pillar is slanted dynamically. The lower sections of the sides are equipped with striking black trim elements, which are continued all around the vehicle. In this way, the Tiguan's ground clearance is optically increased. By means of their inner trims, the strongly exposed wheel housings receive their sporty look. Noble. A chrome strip directly above the circumferential black trim element highlights the car's high-quality appearance. The rear. The character line from the sides is concisely continued above the rear lights. The precise and sharp edge of this line forms the upper boundary of the standard LED rear lights. The horizontal recess within the rear lights is continued over the rear lid as connecting line between the lights. Below the rear lights, the rear lid is extended far to the outside, thus enlarging the rear lid opening. The rectangle between the separating edge and the load sill emphasizes the Tiguan's width, giving it a distinctive look from the rear. The cabin slightly moved towards the inside, making the shoulders look more powerful. The new Tiguan's powerful design language is continued within the interior. The center console, the dash panel and the doors are designed robustly and full of tension, as is typical for an SUV. The strictly driver-oriented design of the instrument cluster is continued in the inclined infotainment system and the new 4-motion active control within the center console, which is also angled towards the driver. perfection to detail. The fine, precisely shaped aluminium frames around the air vents. Remarkable, although it's lower, the new Tiguan's headroom has significantly increased, mainly in the rear. The passengers in the rear can also benefit from more knee space. The luggage compartment volume has increased substantially. Depending on the equipment variant, the front passenger seat can be folded to store long objects. The load sill has been lowered. The new Tiguan. Sporty in all aspects and charismatic from all perspectives.